Hey folks, NotebookLM builds slide decks in seconds, but you can't edit them. Every slide's just a flat image. What you want is to edit it like a real PowerPoint. Click, fix, done. PDNob by Tenorshare does that. It OCRs your NotebookLM PDF into an editable PowerPoint. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Here's what I'm looking at. I'm on the official NotebookLM site, inside a notebook I created on clinical decision-making, opportunities, and ethical challenges. On the left, you can see all the source materials I've added. From this notebook, I generated a slide deck, and here it is. Honestly, it looks stunning. NotebookLM does a great job producing a polished PowerPoint-style presentation. But here's the catch. Right now, you can't actually edit the slides. As I click through them, you'll notice each slide behaves like a flat image. There's a Revise option that lets you type a prompt to request changes. But you can't directly click into a slide and edit the text, move elements, or adjust anything yourself. You do have the option to share the presentation via a link or download it, either as a PDF or as a PowerPoint file. Let's download the PowerPoint version and take a look. Here's the downloaded file. I can move between slides, but everything is still static. I can't edit the text, drag and drop elements, or move any icons. The entire slide is essentially a locked image. That's the big drawback of NotebookLM generated decks. So our goal today is simple: make every slide fully editable. To do that, head to the link in the description. It'll take you to the official site for PDNob by Tenorshare, an AI-powered PDF editor. Quick note, this is a paid tool, but you can try it for free and check the pricing yourself before deciding if it's right for you. It's available for both Windows and Mac. PDNob lets you edit, annotate, organize, create, protect, and sign PDF files, plus a lot more. Today, though, we're focused on one specific use case: turning those static NotebookLM slide images into fully editable slides. Let's download it for Windows. Once installed, here's the official interface. As mentioned, this tool serves a lot of purposes, but our focus is making the NotebookLM PDF export editable. Step 1. Open the downloaded PDF of your slide deck inside PDNob. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the same presentation, still completely static, just like before. At the top, the tool flags this as a scanned PDF, which is why it's locked. So the next step is running OCR to make the text editable and searchable. When you click OCR, you'll see several options, whether you want editable text, searchable text, or both. I'll select editable text, then choose my page range. Since I want every slide editable, I'll select all pages. You can also pick your language and adjust advanced settings if needed. Once your preferences are set, hit Perform OCR. It only takes a few seconds. And just like that, the entire presentation is now fully editable. Watch this. I can select any text, hit Backspace, and type something new. I can even delete the NotebookLM logo. I can drag images to reposition them, rotate them, crop them, or replace them entirely with new visuals. I can also click into any text box, change the font, adjust the size, change the color, make it bold, basically format it like a normal document. And there's an AI feature built in too. You can ask it to explain selected text, improve the writing, or continue writing to expand and polish your content. Once you're happy with your edits, save the file. PDNob also lets you convert your PDF into other formats: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So let's go ahead and convert this edited PDF into an editable PowerPoint file. Click PowerPoint, hit Convert, and within seconds, your static slide deck becomes a fully native PowerPoint file. Let's open it up, and there it is, the entire presentation now editable directly inside Microsoft PowerPoint. From here, you can change colors, fonts, font sizes, remove text, and customize everything exactly the way you want. And that's it. That's how you turn static NotebookLM slides into a fully editable presentation. If you found this helpful, try the tool using the link in the description and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. See you in the next video.